Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Avery and Maren.com, a site that, at first glance, looks like your typical trendy fashion hub. They sell all the usual suspects: sweaters, dresses, and jackets that look modern, comfortable, and suspiciously perfect. Naturally, they're constantly pushing seasonal sales to grab your attention, because nothing lures people in quite like a countdown clock on a cardigan. But before you reach for your wallet, we need to ask the big question. Is this place actually legit, or is it just another digital mirage? Let's break it down together. First off, there's a claim on their site that immediately raised our eyebrows. They're supposedly celebrating a 15-year anniversary. That sounds quite prestigious, doesn't it? However, when we checked the domain records, we found the site was actually registered in November 2025. Apparently, Avery and Maren have mastered the art of time travel, since they've managed to be in business for 15 years despite only existing for about 15 minutes. When a site has absolutely no real history but claims a legacy, it's usually a sign that the only thing they're established in is creative storytelling. Next, we took a look at those stylish product photos. They look clean and professional, but a quick reverse image search reveals that many of these images were actually borrowed from other websites. It's a bit of a red flag when a brand can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own inventory. If they can't show you what the actual clothes look like in their own warehouse, you're basically playing a high-stakes game of fashion roulette where the house always wins. Things get even weirder when you look at their customer support. They list an email and a physical address to look official, but a closer inspection reveals that the address was simply copy-pasted from an entirely different company. To top it off, the founders themselves, Avery and Maren, look suspiciously like AI-generated hallucinations. If the people running the brand don't actually exist in the physical realm, you probably shouldn't expect your package to arrive in one either. Finally, let's talk about those glowing reviews on their homepage. They read less like genuine feedback and more like a marketing intern's fever dream. When we searched outside their little bubble, we found absolutely nothing. No Trustpilot mentions, no Reddit discussions, just a vast, echoing void of silence. With a fake history, stolen images, and digital ghosts for founders, the red flags here are flying high. We strongly recommend approaching this site with extreme caution. Thanks for watching Reality Check Reviews. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next one.